Hello everyone, this is Hairun, Assistant Professor of Mathematics, Jamal Muhammad College, Trichy. Now I am going to discuss the topic about time and distance. So time and distance is one of the most important topic in aptitude and also useful for competitive examinations. Okay, so before going to the topic, we need to know some basic concepts in time and distance. Okay, so it defines the relationship between speed, distance and the time. Okay, so it describes the relationship between speed, distance and time. Okay, so what's the speed, distance and time? So let me see. Distance is when an object is moving with a certain speed in a particular time. The displacement made by an object is called the distance. Okay, so distance is nothing but the displacement. Okay, so next unit of distance is kilometer and meter. Okay, so next time. So time is a quantity which governs the order or sequence of an occurrence. Okay, so time is nothing but a sequence of an occurrence. Okay, so unit of time is hour and seconds. Okay, so next speed is defined as the distance covered per unit time. Okay, so unit of speed is kilometer per hour and meter per second. Okay, so let me see the formula here. Speed equal to distance divided by time. So it is one of the major formula in this section. Okay, so if we want to calculate time, so time equal to distance divided by speed. Likewise, distance equal to speed into time. Okay, so second one is units conversion. Okay, remember that during solving questions unit must be same. Okay, so units can be kilometer per second, meter per second, etc., but units are same. Okay, so how to convert these units? Okay, so let me see. So kilometer per hour to meter per second conversion. Okay, so if we want to convert kilometer per hour to meter per second, we can multiply it by 5 by 18. Okay, so for example, x kilometer per hour, so we can convert into meter per seconds, so we can multiply it by 5 by 18. Okay, so next one, meter per seconds to kilometer per hour conversion. Okay, so if you want to convert meter per seconds to kilometer per hour, we can multiply it by 18 by 5. Okay, so we want to convert meter per seconds to kilometer per hour, we can multiply it by 18 by 5. Okay, so for example, x meter per second, so we want to convert it and kilometer per hour, so we can multiply it by, so x into 18 by 5 kilometer per hour. Okay, so let me see some more concept behind this conversion, some more basic concepts behind this conversion. Okay, so minutes to second conversion. Okay, for 1 minute 60 seconds is there. Okay, so for 1 minute 60 seconds is there. So we want to, if we want to convert minutes to second, we can multiply it by 60. Okay, we can multiply minute to, we want to convert minute to second, it can be multiply it by 60. Okay, so likewise we want to convert seconds to minute, we can divide by 60. Okay, we can divide by 60. Okay, so next minutes to hour conversion. Okay, so for 1 hour 60 minutes is that, for 1 hour 60 minutes is there. Okay, so we want to convert minutes to hour, we can divide by 60. We can divide by 60. Likewise, we can convert hour to minute, it can be multiplied by 60. We want to convert hour to minute, we can multiply it by 60. Okay, so then 1 hour, how many seconds is that? Okay, so for 1 hour 60 minutes is there. Okay, each minute we have 60 seconds. Okay, each minute we have 60 seconds, so 60 into 60, which is equal to 3600 seconds. So for 1 hour 3600 seconds is there. Okay, so then 1 kilo, we know this formula, 1 kilometer equal to 1000 meter. Okay, so then for example, 90 kilometer per hour. For example, let me consider 90 kilometer per hour. So we want to convert it on meter per second. Okay, so it can be multiplied by 5 by 18. Okay, so 90 kilo we can convert it by meter per, if we want to convert kilometer per hour to meter per second, so it can be multiplied by 5 by 18. So that is 90 into 5 by 18 meter per second. Okay, so so some more examples. Okay, some more concepts behind this. So 60 kilometer per hour. Okay, what is the meaning of this 60 kilometer per hour? So for 1 hour he'll travel 60 kilometer. Okay, for 1 hour he travel 60 kilometers. This is the meaning of this. Okay, so for 1 hour, 1 hour is 1 hour having 60 minutes. Okay, so 60 minutes he covered 60 kilometer. For 1 minute we can cover 1 kilometer. Okay, for 1 minute he cover 1 kilometer. Okay, so likewise 120 kilometer per hour. Okay, so for 120 kilometer 60 for 60 minutes he cover 120 kilometer. For 1 minute, so he cover 2 kilometer. Okay, these are the basic formulas. Okay, so then the third one is the ratio of the speeds of A and B. So let me consider A and B of the speeds. So then the ratio of the speeds is A is to B. Okay, we have to find the ratio by using this formula A is to B. Okay, so then the ratio of the time taken by them to cover the same distance is 1 by A is to 1 by B or B is to A. Okay, so formula for time taken ratio. So ratio to find time taken, okay, to cover the certain distance is 1 by A or 1 by A is to 1 by B or B is to A. Okay, so then fourth formula, suppose a man covers a certain distance at x kilometer per hour and an equal distance at y kilometer per hour. Okay, so x and y are the speed. Okay, speed, x and y denotes the speed. Then average speed equal to 2xy divided by x plus y kilometer per hour. Okay, using this formula we have to find the average speed. Okay, so then then two cars traveling in opposite direction, then the relative speed of this is s1 plus s2. So here s1 and s2 are the speeds. Okay, so likewise two cars traveling in the same direction, then relative speed equal to, we have to subtract this. Okay, it's s1, that is s1 minus s2. Okay, these are the basic formulas. So let me move on to the problem. Okay, for first problem, a man walking at the rate of 5 km per hour crosses a bridge in 15 minutes. Okay, so then the length of the bridge in meters is, okay, so what we have to find, the length of the bridge. Okay, what we have to find, length of the bridge. Length is nothing but distance. Okay, so length is nothing but distance. So distance equal to, we know, speed into time. So distance equal to speed into time. Okay, so we have to find the distance. Okay, in meters. Okay, in meters. So what are the data given here? So speed equal to 5 km per hour, time equal to 15 minutes. Okay, so so speed into time. So the distance equal to, we have to find the length of the bridge. Length is nothing but distance, so distance equal to speed into time. So we have to substitute, so 5 km per hour into 15 minutes. Okay, so but the answer is in meters. Okay, so we want to convert kilometer per hour and also minutes. Okay, so we can convert kilometer per hour to meter per second. So we can multiply it by 5 by 18. Okay, meter per second. So 5 kilo we want to convert kilometer per hour to meter per second. So we can multiply it by 5 by 18, that is 5 into 5 by 18 meter per second. Okay, into, so we want to convert 15 minutes to seconds. Okay, so minutes to seconds, so we can multiply it by, so for 1 minute 60 seconds is there, so we have to convert minutes to seconds, so we can multiply it by 60. Okay, so 15 into 60 seconds. Okay, so seconds get cancelled. Okay, so second get cancelled, so 9 2s are 18, so 9 2s are 18, 30 2s are 60, so 3 3s are 9, 10 3s are 30, 1 3s are 3, 5 3s are 50, so 5 5s are 25, 25 5s are 725, so 5 5s are 25, 25 5s are 125 into 10, 1250 meters is the answer. Okay, so seconds and seconds get cancelled, so meters, then only meters. Okay, so we have to simplify this, we get the answer. Okay, second problem, a car is running at a speed of 108 km/h. What distance will it cover in 15 seconds? Okay, so what we have to find is distance. Okay, so distance is speed into time. Okay, what are the data given here? Speed equal to 108 km/h and time equal to 15 seconds. Okay, time equal to 15 seconds. Okay, so 108 km/h into 15 seconds. Okay, so we want to convert, so in terms of meters. Okay, so we want to convert km/h to meter per second. Okay, meter per second, 108 into 5 by 18 meter per second, so 108 meter per second. Okay, so into 15 seconds. Okay, so 18, 118s are 18, 6 18s are 108. Okay, so 6 18s are 108, so seconds get cancelled. Okay, so 6 5s are 30, 30 5s are 30, 15s are 450 meter. Okay, so the answer is 450 meters. Okay, so third problem, how many minutes does Aditya take to cover a distance of 400 meter if he runs at a speed of 20 km/h? Okay, so what we have to find, how many minutes Aditya take to cover a distance of 400 meters. Okay, so we have to find time, so time equal to distance divided by speed, so time equal to distance divided by speed. Okay, so what are the data given here? Distance equal to 400 meter and speed equal to 20 km/h, so 20 km/h. So, okay, we have to find a minutes. Okay, to cover a distance of 400 meter. Okay, so distance is 400 meter, we can apply here, so 400 meter, so divided by 20 km/h. Okay, so 400 meter into, we want to convert km/h to meter per second, so we can multiply it by 5 by 18 meter per second. Okay, so we can simplify it. Okay, 10 2s are 20, 9 8s are 9 2s are 18. Okay, so meter get cancelled, so 400 divided by 50, so 5 10s are 50 by 9 seconds, so which implies 400 into 9 by 50 seconds. Okay, so this one will go to the numerator, so 400 into 9 by 50 seconds. Okay, so 150s are 50, we can simplify this, so 850s are 400. Okay, so 8 9s are 72 seconds. Okay, so time equal to 72 seconds, so we want to convert it in minutes. Okay, so minutes. Okay, So for this 72 seconds, 1 minute 12 seconds is there. So 1 minute 12 seconds is there for second 72 seconds. Sorry, 72 second. We want to convert it in minutes. Okay, so 72 we want to convert it in seconds to minute. We can divide by 60. So seconds to minute we can divide by 60. So that is 72 divided by 60. Okay, so time equal to 72 divided by 60 minute, which implies 6 2s are 6 12s are 72, 5 12s are 60. That is 6 by 5 minutes. So we have to convert it in a mixed fractions. That is 1 by 5 minute. Okay, so 1 5s are 5 ones are 5 plus 1 6 by 5. Okay, so time is 1 by 5 minute. Okay, next problem. A cyclist cover a distance of 750 meter in 2 minutes 30 seconds. What is the speed in kilometer per hour of the cyclist? Okay, so what we have to find is speed. Okay, what we have to find is speed in kilometer per hour. Okay, so speed equal to distance divided by time. Speed equal to distance divided by time. So what are the data given here? So distance equal to 750 meter and time equal to 2 minutes 30 seconds. 2 minutes 30 seconds. Okay, so we have to apply here. So 750 meter divided by 2 minutes 30 seconds. Okay, so we have to so 2 minutes 30 seconds. So 750 meter divided by, for 2 minutes 60. So for 1 minute 60 seconds is there. For 2 minutes 120 seconds is there. Okay, so 120 plus 30 seconds equal to 150 seconds. So 750 divided by 150 seconds. So 750 meter divided by 150 seconds. Okay, so 150 and 5 150s or 750. Okay, so 5 meter per second. Okay, for 5 meter per second, but the speed is in kilometer. We have to find the speed is in kilometer, so we have to convert this in kilometer per hour. Okay, so 5 into, so kilometer, we want to convert kilometer per hour, we can multiply it by 18 by 5. Okay, we can multiply it by meter per seconds to kilometer per hour, we can multiply it by 18 by 5. Okay, so 5 get cancelled. So the time is, sorry, speed equal to 18 kilometer per hour. Okay, so next problem. Two men start from opposite ends A and B of a linear track respectively and meet at point 60 meter from A. Okay, so if AB equal to 100 meter, what will be the ratio of the speed of both men? Okay, so what we have to find is ratio of speed. Okay, so what are the data given here? Two men start from opposite ends A and B of a linear track. So let me consider a linear track. Okay, so A and B here, A and B are the opposite ends. Okay, A and B be the opposite ends of the linear track. Okay, so and meet at point, let me consider a meeting point as C. Okay, so A to C is 60 meter. Okay, if the overall length AB equal to 100. Okay, so what are the BC? So BC distance is 40. Okay, so the formula for ratio of speed is A is to B. So A is 60 meter and B is 40 meter. So we have to simplify. So 0 0 cancel. So 3 2s are 6, 2 2s are 4. Okay, so the ratio is 3:2. Okay, so then next problem. A boy traveling from his home to school at 25 km per hour and came back at 4 km per hour. Okay, So if whole journey took 5 hours 48 minutes, find the distance of home to school. Okay, what we have to find is distance. Okay, so distance. So here two speeds here. Okay, x 25 kilometer and 4 kilometer. Okay, so in this question the distance will be the same, the home to school and came back. Okay, so home to school and school to home, so the distance was same, speed, but the speed is different. Okay, so x equal 25 kilometer and y equal to 4 kilometer per hour. Okay, so time taken 5 hours 48 minutes. Okay, so you have to find distance. So distance equal to speed into time. Here we have average speed only, so we have to find average speed into time. Okay, so for average speed, for finding average speed equal to 2xy divided by x plus y. Okay, so kilometer per hour. Okay, so 2xy, so 2 into 25 into 4 divided by 25 plus 4, so which is equal to 25. 2 25s are 50, 54s are 200, so 200 divided by 29 kilometer per hour, so kilometer per hour. Okay, so we have to find time. So time equal to 5 hours 48 minutes. So 5 hours, so we have to convert this is in hours. Okay, we have to convert minutes in hours, so we have to divide by 60. Okay, so we can divide by 60. Okay, so 5 hours 48 minutes, we have to convert it in hours, so we can divide it by 60. Okay, so 5 hours, so 5 into 48 divided by 60 hours. Okay, so that is, so 5, yeah, 4, so 5 4 by 5 hours, so which implies here you have to convert it in fraction. Okay, 5 5s are 25, 25 plus 4 29 by 5 hours, 29 by 5 hours. Okay, so we have to substitute. So we have average speed and also time, so substitute here. Average speed is 200 by 29 kilometer per hour into 29 by 5 hour. So hour get cancelled, 29 get cancelled, 1 5s are 5, 45s are 200, 45s are 200. Okay, so average speed is, sorry, so the distance is equal to 400 kilometer. So distance is 400 kilometer. So next problem, one of the two buses completes a journey of 300 kilometer in 1/2 hours, and the other journey of 450 kilometer in 9 hours. Okay, so the ratio of their average speed is, okay, what we have to find is the ratio of their average speed. Okay, so first we have to find the average speed and then we have to find the ratio. Okay, so for the, we have two buses here. So for the first bus, distance equal to 300 kilometer, time equal to 7 1/2 hours. Okay, so for the second bus, distance equal to 450 kilometer and time equal to 9 hours. 450 kilometer and time equal to 9 hours. Okay, so you have to find the speed first. Okay, speed equal to distance divided by time. For the first bus, 300 kilometer divided by 15/2 hours. So which implies, so 300 into 15, 2/15 kilometer per hour. Kilometer per hour. Okay, for the second bus, speed equal to 450 divided by 450 kilometer divided by 9 hours. Okay, so 450 by 9, so 1 9s are 9, So 5 nines are 45. So 50 kilometers. So speed equal to 50 kilometer per hour. So ratio is for the first bus 115s are 15, 20 15s are 300. So 22s are 40 kilometers per hour. So ratio of their average speed is equal to, that is A is to B. So A is 40 kilometer and B is 50 kilometer. So 4:5. The ratio is 4:5. Okay. So the ninth problem. The speed of the car increases by 2 kilometer after every 1 hour. Okay. If the distance traveled in the first 1 hour was 35 kilometers. Okay. What was the total distance traveled in 12 hours? Okay. We have to find the distance, that is distance traveled in 12 hours. Okay. For this total distance traveled in 12 hours. Total distance traveled in 12 hours equal to, if the distance traveled in the first 1 hour was 35 kilometer. Okay, first 1 hour the distance is 35 kilometer. After 1 hour the distance increases 2 kilometers. So 35 plus 37 plus 39 plus etc. plus up to 12 terms. Okay, because 12 hours. So because you have to, what was the total distance traveled in 12 hours? So you have to find up to 12 terms. Okay. So this is an arithmetic. This is an arithmetic progression. They have to find using the distance as arithmetic progression. So what is the arithmetic progression? Equal to n by d plus ad plus n minus 1 into d. Okay. Here n equal to 12 and a equal to first term, that is 35, and d equal to common difference. Common difference for every 2 hours. For every 1 hour the distance increases as 2 kilometers. So the common differences is 2. Okay. So we have to apply here. So 12 by 2 into 35 into 2 plus 12 minus 1 into 2. Okay, which is equal to 12 by 2 6 into 35 2s are 70 plus 12 minus 1 11 into 2. So 6 into 70 plus 22, 6 into 92, which is equal to 550 kilometers. Okay, so the answer is 552 kilometer.